Hello, today I'm going to explain about the part B again. It's been a long time I didn't come in the online. So today I'm going to deal about the part B because so many of the students are having the confusion in this reading part B, which is very important, and there are certain tips which I'm going to deal today. So in this part B, what things students are doing mistake is they are not able to find the right answer. Instead, they are choosing this is a question, okay? As I said earlier, whenever you are getting the part B, you need to read the question first and then option as well. When you are reading the option, what things I'm recommending to the students is that they need to take some of the key point. Don't recall all the sentence. It is quite difficult. Moreover, you cannot mark up the question as well. So instead of having such trouble, you can choose the key part from here, cartograph, and then training, which should be completed along with the font program. Once after that, what things you need to keep in mind is you need to take the 2 face-to-face training, 16 hours, and then 2 case studies as well as 15 simulators. Okay, now we'll go with the in my case what I will do is I'll try to match the sentence. Here is a anyway they are talking about the font, and question is about the font program, right? Good font program and cartograph. So I'm finding the not here. I cannot find cartograph. I can find here in this section cartograph, and here I cannot find the code cartograph in the end of the reading. This section full is the part B, okay? And in this, what student mostly they are doing is first thing what I found in the students is they are choosing the answer from here. Font facilitator to provide the face-to-face sessions. And some student took the answer from this section, number A, which is totally wrong. To clarify your doubts, I will make sure I will say now, two face, okay? You got the 50% of your answer. Then what about the remaining things? 15 cases studies every 3 years. Has anywhere mentioned these things? No, right? So you cannot take this one as your answer. Instead of that, you should go for a second. Again, many of the students, they are taking this answer as well. So in how they are taking is, I will explain you again. So they are saying that it is a 2.5 years, 2.5. It's okay, 2.5 half. And then they are saying about the 16 hours. 16 hours online training. It's okay, you are taking the right thing. But what about the 2.5 years, 2.5 hours annually? So anywhere is annually is mentioned? Tell me, annually is not mentioned, right? So why are you taking the 60% answer in your main answer? So always in a part B, you need to get either 80% or 100%. So the wrong information here is annually, which is totally not there. So you should give 60%. So the answer is, this is a totally wrong. And second is a 60%. First one is 50%. Now the right answer is number C, how? The most of the students are not getting the answer because they are finding a two case studies which is not at all mentioned. But I will tell you how things come up. And 15 simulator is there. So students are able to identify the keyword very easily here. 15 simulator every 3 years is here in this case, okay? However, they are not getting the two case studies. So look very carefully, okay? Any of the case studies is mentioned here? No, right? And here, any of the case studies? No. These two section is the only case studies. 2.5 year is case studies, but there are 3 case studies mentioned here. So in the case studies which all are mentioned is 16 hours, and 16 hours is mentioned since 2.5 hours annually is not mentioned, so your answer is wrong. However, 2 case studies, 15 simulator is here, and then case studies. What are the case studies? In the 16 hours, they are going to provide the cases of this fetal monitoring training system cases, as well as this 16 hours and 2.5 hours simulator CTG case studies. So question is clearly talking about font program as well as the CTG, right? So anyway, these all are the program, font program only, and CTG is coming in this part. So you can take two case studies with 2 case studies, right? And 2 cases. These two are the things, case studies, along with that, in including 15 cardiotogograph training simulator cases. Okay, so in this way, anyway, you can eliminate as well. This is a 60, this is a 50, so you can eliminate. You can take the number C as an answer. So hopefully I have cleared your doubts, and many more videos I will publish as well, since I'm lacking with the time to make the videos and all. Hopefully you got the ideas how to take the part B. All the best. Thank you so much.